This is us doing our first family geocaching.
Don't use your teeth.
Don't use your teeth, buddy.
Whoa! The glasses.
What's in it?
So bring it over here.
Come on over here so I can see too. Let's see what's in it.
It's an old
Illy
menu.
wants to know too.
Alright.
An old menu?
Look.
What's in it?
Nothing.
Oh, that must be the sign-in sheet.
It's words.
Oh, it's a book. Oh, that maybe is the sign-in book. Okay, let's see. And a little army man and a necklace.
And an
Army
army
man.
Where's the army man?
And
Ooh.
a necklace. All right, we're going to have to get something small enough from
I
our
don't know.
car.
I don't know if we should take any of the stuff here. Maybe
Why?
it's really say it says. Oh no, let me see this booklet.
Where's the army man?
Come over and look, Illy. Why don't